3 hits at 5, reply this. Yo, Seolfor Hordians, you really tried it. Dropped a little diss, but nobody's buying it. Came at 365 like you're running the scene, but your stack disappeared like it never had been. No silver left, no bars in sight. Put it all in the treasure hunt overnight. Beverage stack, now you're acting all proud. Make you lost your wealth to a shoveling crowd. You drove for miles just to visit the zoo. More time with your raps than stacking the truth. Talking big online, but what can you show? A fuel receipt and a ticket to go. 365 still here, still stacking with glass. While your silver got buried somewhere in the glass. I wrote the book, you should take a look. Terminator, sit down and read my book. Page 1 says, don't come unprepared. Page 2 says, stack while others get scared. Page 3 says, if you want to talk a man, make sure you've actually still got a stack. Yeah, you came with bars, but not the silver kind. Now I'm replying with treasure on my mind. You call it a hunt, I call it a loss. No stack in the hand, but you're acting the boss. Seolfor Hordian, better check your vault. If there's nothing inside, that's not my fault. 365, got weight, got shine, got proof. You've got due mounts and no silver rules. So here's my reply, keep it clean, keep it fun. 365 days and I'm never done. Next time you diss, make sure it's tagged. Because I brought receipts and I brought fat. Don't hate, just bars, let the community laugh. You buried your stack and took the zoo path. Terminator.